this episode of Spooled Up Garage. It's going to be a little different. I feel like I say that in every video because it is. But anyway, we don't have anything filmed because I haven't done anything to my car or anybody's cars lately. So I'm going to show you the bike that I'm going to be riding. I've been talking about doing motovlogs. So this is the bike I'll be riding. It is a 2006 wr450F, and it was my brother's, and I put a lot of parts and work into it. I'm trying to get it to where it's street legal, so I put some mirrors on it. It didn't have any mirrors. I got it running because it didn't run when I got it. I put a starter on it, battery in it. My brother put a starter relay in it. It has a new spark plug. It has a new fuel mixture screw in it because somebody put an aftermarket one in and the spring was gone, and so were the O-rings, so I fixed all that. The clutch lever was bent, so I got a new set of both, put both of those on. And the mirrors, it had a mirror mount here, but not one on that side, so I made my own. I got new grips because they were falling apart. The twist throttle plastic under the grip was broke, so I bought a new one of those. I put a new chain on, and I got new tires because the tires that were on it were dry rotted and wore out, and they were off-road tires. So the ones I got were, say they're 50-50, 50% dirt, 50% street. So I got them and I pulled the tires off and I went to put the new tires on. Found out the front inner tube was dry rotted, so I didn't feel like tearing it back apart even though it holds air. So I went to Alpha Power Sports, got another one of those, and then I pulled apart the rear wheel. And I noticed all the spokes were loose, tried to tighten them. They were all bent and they were stuck. So I took it to Alpha Power Sports and they said that they can cut them all off and put a new kit or a spoke kit in. So they have my wheels and they're doing that. And I told them he might as well put the rest of the inner tubes and tires and everything back together, and then I'll put them back on whenever he's done. So hopefully that's done this week. Then maybe we can record a video putting them on, and then we can start motovlogging. So I felt like I talked a ton in a short amount of time. Oh yeah, I pulled a baffle out to make it louder. As soon as it's mine, all the rest of that baffling is coming out, by the way. Oh, and I have a brake light switch coming because that one was broke from the previous owner before my brother. Oh, and front brakes because those were worn out. So let's go look at my helmet. So I wanted to motovlog, so I went to Walmart and bought this thing. And it's kind of junky and cheap, but I bought it, put it on. I could only mount it to the side with like double-sided tape, but I wanted the front view and I don't like spending money, so I used zip ties and zip tied it on, and we're gonna see how it works. I know you're not going to be able to hear with the microphone, so we're going to use headphones with a microphone in it and see if they will work. And we're going to connect them to our phone because this camera you can't connect the microphone to, especially in this case. So we're going to connect them to our phone, and then I'll mix the audio together so that it's all one thing. Okay, so it's just going to be a short video this time. Told you about my helmet, what we got going on. Told you about the bike and what's going on with that. So like I said, next video will probably be putting the wheels on, and then hopefully after that we can start motovlogging. We might get a video of my brother trading in his Harley for a Grom. He says no, but I say for a Grom. But that's a possibility. No guarantees. But yeah, we'll be riding together, so hopefully we'll both be in the videos of that. And alright, that should be it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Stop.